And coming to India here just before the beginning of festival season, India's auto sector is showing signs of revival. Car and two-wheeler sales are gaining momentum. But is that recovery real and permanent, or is that a temporary blip? To talk more on Indian auto sector, we are today joined by the Vice President of Sales of Mercedes India, Mr. Santosh Iyer. Well, thanks for taking time for us, Mr. Iyer. Good morning to you. My first question to you is how promising coming festival season is for auto sector, considering ongoing situation of COVID-19, and how has been the recovery so far?
No, it's good because, generally if both Diwali and Dussehra comes in 1 month, then it's just a peak, and, then there is also a big vacuum. What we feel is October should be aided by Dussehra and also the preparation for Diwali purchases, and November 14th is Diwali, so somewhere around that time we should also be able to capitalize on the festive demand. What we have done is we have also started a new campaign now, which is called Unlock with Mercedes-Benz. Post the pandemic, we see a lot of customers, wanting to splurge in themselves, wanting to enjoy the finer things in life, luxury products. So with a range of financial campaigns, etc., we also are now trying to tell customers to, come and splurge and actually come back into enjoying the finer things, like owning a Mercedes-Benz, irrespective of, we have been in lockdown for such a long period, and it's also time to let yourself a bit free, of course, taking care of all the social protocols and safety requirements, because the pandemic is still there, it's not gone. But our view is both October and November should come back to last year levels. That would have been a good recovery as far as Mercedes-Benz goes.
And what about the overseas market? Is Mercedes still in race compared to other luxury brands when it comes to exports? And there were news saying Mercedes wants to make India its exports hub. Can you tell more on this?
So we have no immediate plans. We exported some cars 2 years back. It's based on the global demand, and then we have capacities here in India. We have a very good facility in Pune. We can make close to 20,000 cars, going up to 40,000 cars. But it all depends on the supply chain. We are integrated into the Daimler global supply chain network. So as and when there is definitely a requirement, the Indian teams, the factory, all are geared up to do the exports as such.
For joining us and getting us all these details this morning. Thank you very much for joining us today.
Co-presented by Skoda. Simply clever.